So this is variables and characteristics, then control statement quiz discussion session. And the first question is correct way of commanding a single line is. So the command for the single line is always use the double line. Actually this is a double line statement for a correct answer. So the single line command line will be indicate by the double line, double slash line of the statement. And the second question, this is the C statement, int a equal to 0 and a equal to 4 plus 5 divided by 2 star 10 then plus 5. Actually a is the integer value, so a equal to 4 plus 5, it is a normal integer values. This is the calculation to find the answer. For 5 divided by 2 is always 2.5. That is a fraction value, but here all the values are the integer, so it will take as a integer value alone from 2.5. So 2 is the integer value, so 2 star 10, 2 star 10, actually this is the 2 stars 10 value, 4 plus and 2.5 is converted into 2, then star 10 plus 5, the result is 29 is the answer for this. And the next question is the statement for next question, int x. So that is the initial in x is a integer data type, and if x value, if x is a integer, but I didn't declare any integer value here. The value of x is not declared, so this corresponding if session will be the false. So this is the false, the condition is false. So if the false means the else statement will execute. That is a how are you is the output for this. And the next question is int x equal to 0. So here the x value is 0. The condition is if x equal to 0. Actually 0 equal to 0. So the condition is true. Condition is true means this high will print. This high statement will print, and the else statement will not print. These two statement is not is under with the else statement. The first statement only is connected with the else statement. Second statement is always outer of this function, outer of this statement. So this last statement is a separate statement. It's not connected with the else. So this print f is also will work. So hi hello will be the answer for this. Then this is the output for following code, assuming that we have entered the value 1 in a standard input. So 1 is the standard input. Here enter the value between 1 to n. So assuming 1 is the value for this, then scanf for this statement scanf. Here I am declare the floating point statement, floating point value. As the scanf is a floating point value, so this value, the ch is a double, and the switch statement is also get the double value. Here please note what is the value statement for case 1 and case 2. Actually these two value is a integer value. Then what is the input value? That is a floating value. So this code will not work, and the answer is compiler time error. And the next statement is int a equal to 0. The same statement, 4 plus 4 divided by 2 star 5 and plus 20. So plus 20 means the answer 4 divided by 2. So 2 star 5, 10 and 30, 34 will be the answer. The next question, char code equal to a. Actually the code is declared as a character, the value of a, Then the switch statement, the value is inserted the code is represent the input value. So the case a is a value, but the case is declared as an integer. Integer means case 64 plus 1 and the case 8 star 8 plus 4, and default is some statement. So what happened here? Actually the a value will be the input for this code, and this case is also converted into the character. Actually, what is the ASCII value for a? That is a 65. 65 is a ASCII value for a. So corresponding this case will work. It will convert as a value. So case a print and int will be the output for this, and out of this switch statement, palace is out of the printf statement. So ant palace is the answer for this. And this is the next question. Int a equal to 3, switch of a, here a value is 3 value will be printed. So 3 means here the no case is here. So what will happen? The default case will be the print. Actually this input value is not matched with any cases. The default case will be print and case default printf. So what is a problem here? The case is not a correct syntax. Case default is not a correct syntax. Default only the correct syntax for this. So it's give the compiler error. Then choose the correct statement. A compiler converts your C program into machine readable. Yes, it's correct. C editor allow you to type C programs. It's like notepad, right? It's also correct statement. And console shows the output value. Yes, this 3 statement is correct correct statement. So all the above is the answer for this. And the leftmost bit 0 signed is always represent the positive number. So the positive number is a leftmost bit 0. And single line command single line command / is always used for all the programming concept, either the C++, Java, PHP, C. So all the programming concept, this single line command / will be used. And then output for this int a equal to 3 plus 5 divided by 2. Actually it's an integer value. So 5 divided by 2 means 2.5. So 0.5 will be removed, and 3 plus 2 will be 5 is the answer for this, right? And the range of signed long and unsigned, always the range is this is the answer for this. So minus 21, 47, 48, 36, 48 to some 42, 94, 96, 72, 95. This is the answer for this range of signed long and unsigned long variable. And the next question is int I equal to 10, j equal to 3, k equal to 3. So 3 variable is declared here. Printf %d %d. So only the 2%d is here. So the variable is declared like I, j, k. So 3 variable is declared. So what will happen here? So you may think that is a compiler error, but it will work. The I value and j value will be print, and some warning will be given to the additional argument. So the 10.3 is a answer for this. Then choose the statement to use C if else statement. So what is the correct with the if else statement? Else if is compulsory to use with while statement, it's not correct, and else is compulsory to use, there is no compulsory. And else and else if optional for if statement. Yes, this is the correct answer. And choose the incorrect answer for these answers, plus give the answer maybe true. So the next question, choose incorrect answer of this code. Actually this is the first one. Hash include is not a preprocessor directive, and this is the incorrect answer because hash include is a preprocessor directive only. and other things is or correct header files and predefined functions, and is a C programming language. Okay, right. Then size of short int long in Turbo C, that is a range of short int long is a 2, 4 and 8, that is a range of bytes. Then the programming is void main int I equal to 0. If I equal to 0, so the I value, the condition is true. The condition is true, so it move to the printf statement. But continue is the next statement is continue keyword. There is a no statement after the continue keyword, so it will not work, and it gives the compile error result. And identify the wrong C keyword below. Union, const, var and var and float, short and signed continue for, signed void default go to, and size of validate then do and if. So these all are the valid C keyword except var. This var is not a keyword, so this is a wrong keyword. And the program is int a equal to 1 if a minus minus. So that means a value is 0. A value is 0. So if the a value is 0 means it will not work. It will not work, and 0 means is always the condition is false. So this printf true will not work. Then the next statement, actually this is a statement of nested if. If it is a nested if means I have to given a bracket for this. So I am not mentioned like that. So it is a separate if statement, means if a plus plus, so a value 1 plus plus means 2, so the corresponding 2 value, all the integer value is considered as a true, so the print of false will be print. So false is a correct answer. And choose the correct statement about the C switch statement. A default case is optional. Yes, correct. Default statement is optional only. Break the control exit of the switch immediately. Yes, this is a break statement is always used to exit from the corresponding statement. And you cannot use duplicate case. Yes, you cannot use the duplicate case constraint inside the switch statement. So all the above statements are true. And the programming code is int main int I equal to 10 j equal to 2. Then printf %d/n, here one %d comma inbuilt with the, it's a nested printf statement, and it will not support in the programming concept, so it definitely will give the compiler error. It will give the compiler error, will not work. And the next statement is void main int x equal to 5 if x less than 1. X less than 1, actually the value of 5 less than 1 is a false statement. 5 less than 1 will not work. So what is the what will happen here? 5 less than 1, actually the statement is false, so it will not nothing will happen. But please note here the if x less than 1 close bracket and the semicolon is there. What do you mean by this content of semicolon? Semicolon is refers the end of the statement. End of the statement means this if statement is closed here. Yes, it's a closed here. So what is the sixth line? Print of hello. So this hello will be print. Then ternary operator expression is conditional. Then question mark is follow the expression 1 and the expression so this is a answer for this. And signed and unsigned representation is available for short int, long char and float, double, long double. So all these data types is used for unsigned and signed variables. So A and B is the correct answer. Thank you.